We change the lives of women and children at Property Initiatives Real Estate. 100% of our profits are used to provide affordable housing to women and children at risk of homelessness. We have a small portfolio of properties throughout all of the areas networked by Yarra Trams, but we need to grow. 2 out of 3 people seeking help for homelessness are women. Many have children. All of us deserve a place to call home, to belong to a community. Why is our agency different? Because we don't have luxury cars or a marketing budget. In fact, we travel by tram to most of our managed properties. Yarra Trams can help us reach thousands of property owners in Melbourne to promote our hardworking agency. Take a look at some of our success stories so far.